Hi, we are at Colaba beach now. Just entering the Colaba beach. Lot of people are present at Colaba beach. From far only I can see that it is quite crowded. You can see it. Local people are also present over the beach. You can see local person are selling the goods over here. ये कितने का है?
250 का है।
ये 250 का है। और वो सब कितने का है?
ये 100
कितने में दीजिएगा ये सब?
ये आपको 200 में।
नहीं
वो पानी
कुछ तो ले लो, अंकलेट चाहिए?
दिखाइए अंकलेट के।
ऐसा नहीं दिखा ना?
नहीं अंकलेट नहीं।
गले का चाहिए?
कैसे दे रहे हो ये?
ये 350।
नहीं 100 में मिलेगा क्या ये?
ऐसा वाला 100
नहीं ठीक है।
जी, जितना वीडियो बना रहा देख लो, इसमें देख लो, दिखा दे।
नहीं चाहिए
देख लो ना दीदी।
Lot of crowds are present.
Madam, yes, very cheap, sells 100 rupees. Have a look, madam.
No, thank you. People are not following COVID protocol also. So many people are without masks. Water sports are closed. The reason for closure of water sports is due to monsoon. Though today there is a sunny weather. Weather is actually perfectly fine. You can see lot of crowd. Outside the beach, eateries are available. You can see the ice cream counters, Amul, quality, everyone is present. Sweet candy is also there available in the beach. This is the parking area. Lot of parking space is available. So car parking is not a concern over here, at least in present scenario. There is an ATM of Kotak Bank. Some shops are open. Garment and other stuffs are available. Price is mentioned at fixed price. Uncle is sitting at the counter for the billing. Even I have got some of the stuffs from here. Some local eateries are open. A sack is also open. This is the sack. is a seafood restaurant which is also open. A tattoo store is also opened over here. As tourists are coming, these are the shops which are open in the beach. It's truly said Bengalis are present everywhere. Being a Bong, I am getting excited to see this board. It's written Vitore Babu Mashai. That means Babu Mashai is inside this restaurant. This is a Bengali restaurant, though it is closed. But I'm very happy to see this board. I cannot stop to taking the video of this place. You can get the local stuff, but you need to do lot of bargaining. Local female are moving around and selling the jewelry, but lot of bargaining needs to be done. Bus services are also available in Colaba beach. Lot of scooties are also coming. People are hiring the scooties and coming in the beach. It's time to say goodbye to Colaba beach. Stay tuned, stay connected, be safe.